Hello, welcome to Adam's Toy Library, and today we are going to unbox and review Topps Match Attax Extra Season 2022-23 full boxes, and we have two full boxes today to be opened, and there are 24 flow packs in one full box, so together there are 48 boxes. So let's see what's there in this flow pack. It says 100% official and a Topps logo with Jamal Musiala, Anthony, Robert Lewandowski, Adeyemi, Bukayo Saka, and Lionel Messi in front of this. Says Match Attax Extra Season 2022-23, and all the three logos of Europa League, Champions League, and Europa Conference League. It says 12 cards per packet and something written in other languages, and then we have got app code in every packet. So let's flip it around. Then we see Furuhashi, Aubameyang, and Karim Benzema in one side, and on the other side we get Erling Haaland, Ryan Kent, and Paul Pogba. In the back side there are some pricing and some other legalese are there, and it says genuine autograph cards can also be found, and it is in 1:200 2100 packets. Wow, that is super rare. So this is it about the packaging, and let's rip each and every full box and see what's there inside. So I'll start with this pack, and there are some tapes. We need to cut it open, and to open it I'm using my old and reliable INGCO knife. So we have made the cut, and let's see what we can get inside this. So let's place it properly, and here we go. So this is the first pack, and we have another one. So let's do it all together. Let's rip the pack number 1 and pack number 2 together and show you which pack has better card in it. So what we're gonna do, we will take one flow pack from each 24 packs at a time, and we will show you what's there inside. So in that way you will get a clear comparison between these two packets, and you will have an idea which pack has better cards. So from the left side, pack number 1, and our first flow pack of this video. So let's see what we can get. So we have started with an app code, and then it is upside down. We got our first card as Phil Foden Starburst. He's my boy. Then we have got Bruno Fernandes Performance Boost. We have got Manager Nagelsmann. Then we have got Away Kit Goncalo Inacio. We have already received it. We have got Away Kit Joao Felix. Then we have got Simone Inzaghi Manager. Another manager, Xavi Hernandez. Then we have got the Away Kit Manuel Locatelli. And we have got our first 100 club as the 100 club legends, and we have received I think 300 clubs, and all the three are 100 club legends, and this is Franz Beckenbauer. So what a nice card this is. You can look. And then we move into our inserts. We have received Marcos Acuna, again the world champion. Our first mega value from this video, Federico Chiesa, and then we have got a squad zone Anthony Modeste. So pretty decent first pack, and then from pack number 2, our first flow pack. So let's see who wins, pack number 1 or pack number 2. So here again we start with an app code, and we got our headline hero Joao Cancelo, now a Bayern Munich player. Then we have got a squad update, Emerson Palmieri, another squad update, and the young player of the year, young player of the tournament in World Cup, Enzo Fernandez, who is now again a Chelsea player, and we have received him as a Benfica player. So again we have seen the example of how Topps rushes their products. They should have waited a little more. Then we have received Nicolas Gonzalez, headline hero, performance boost Philip Max, Marco Rose manager. He has just lost against Pep Guardiola's Manchester City in the Champions League. Then we have received Kygerd from Salzburg. It is a squad update. Another squad update, Steven Berghaus. And we have received our first regular 100 club, and what a card is this, Harry Kane 100 club. Then we have received a Harry Kane in the form of Out of This World, a mega value of Lucas Radecki, and the same Anthony Modeste squad zone card in this pack. So I think it is a draw between the pack number 1 and pack number 2. So let's restart the match with the second flow pack from pack number 1, and started with a code. And then we have got Mohamed Kamara squad update, Granit Xhaka, a wicket. Then we have got a manager, Postecoglou, Leandro Spinazzola Starburst, our first Starburst of this video. Then we have got performance boost Max Philipp, a reputation, Marco Rose manager, again another reputation, a squad update of Kygerd, Berghaus squad update, and we have got our first crystal parallel headline hero of Jude Bellingham. Such a nice card. And then we have got Out of This World Lucas Ocampos. Unfortunately, he was not there in the Argentine World Cup winning squad. We have got mega value Kalidou Koulibaly, and we have received the last card as Jadon Sancho squad zone. So again, a pretty decent. We cannot decide until and unless we open the second flow pack from the second booster pack. So let's see who wins, pack number 1 or pack number 2. So in the pack number 2, again we start with an app code. Then we have got Christian Eriksen squad update. We have received performance boost Martin Odegaard, Sampaoli manager. We have received Mehdi Taremi, a wicket, Starburst Vinny Jr., Chanaloglu headline hero, Starburst Giovanni Reina, performance boost Marco Verratti, again a crystal parallel, this time a manager, Carlo Ancelotti, Marco Reus, Out of This World mega value Sergio Ramos, and we end with the same squad zone of Jadon Sancho. So again we have received two parallel cards, crystal parallel cards from each boxes. So again, undecided, no winners this time also. Time for pack number 3. So pack number 3 from the first booster pack. We see Emerson Palmieri squad update, Christian Eriksen squad update, and we have received Nicolas Gonzalez again, headline hero, Sampaoli manager, Milinkovic Savic performance boost. We have received away kit of Sandro Tonali, Benjamin Sesko squad update, the Starburst Kenneth Taylor, and we have received another legend 100 club, this time Fernando Torres, and definitely this is a great pull. And we have got our out of this world Payero, mega value of Sergio Ramos again, and finally we finish with hat-trick hero Romelu Lukaku. So definitely the pack number 1 has an upper hand. Let's see what we can get in the pack number 2. In the pack number 3 of the booster pack number 2, and we have got Wesley Fofana squad update, Starburst Harvey Elliott. We then received Bryce Mendes a squad update, a Starburst of Wards, performance boost Milinkovic Savic, away kit Sandro Tonali. There are a lot of repetitions, and we have got performance boost Ansu Fati, squad update Benjamin Sesko. We have got out of this world legend of Paul Gascoigne, and then we have a mega value of Thomas Muller, and we have got our first heritage card in this video, that Upamecano, and then we finish with a squad zone of David Silva. So definitely pack number 1 is a clear winner here for Fernando Torres 100 club. And let's see what is there in the next pack from box number 1. So we again start with an app code, and then we got Martin Odegaard performance boost, squad update Wesley Fofana, away kit Mehdi Taremi. We have then got Bryce Mendes squad updates. We have got Milan Skriniar performance boost, Alvaro Morata squad update, Jude Bellingham nice performance boost, Starburst Paul Pogba. We have got another crystal parallel this time, and he is Nicolas Seywold from Salzburg. We have received out of this world Abada from Celtic, mega value Thomas Muller again, and we finish with a squad zone of Tuchemani from Real Madrid. So box number 2. Yes, it is better, instead of calling these packs we can use box, so that you don't confuse between flow packs and booster packs. So start with an app code, and then we received Alejandro Garnacho, a real rookie, a very shining prospect of Argentina and Manchester United. We have got headline hero Marquinhos. We have got a Starburst of Jota, away kit Nicolo Zaniolo, headline hero Rudiger, and we have got Ismail Benacer squad update. We have got Ousmane Dembele squad update, Starburst of Okafor, and then we have a crystal parallel of Starburst Vinny Jr. So definitely the box number 2 is winning. We have got out of this world legend Nemanja Vidic, and that seals it, the winning. We have got a mega value of Eric Lamela, and then we have got Moussa Diaby squad zone. So let's put these a little bit far. We restart again from box number 1, and in the last draw clearly box number 2 was the winner, with a little bit margin for the Crystal Parallel, Starburst, Vinicius Jr. and Nemanja Vidic out of this world legend card. We start with Harvey Elliott Starburst, Skamaka Headline Hero, Ward Starburst, Upamecano Headline Hero, Awake It Barisic, then we have got Awake It Josko Guardiol, we have got Squad Update Mukiele, we have got Giovanni Lo Celso Squad Update, Out of This World Goldson, Mega Value Kulusevski. We have got our second man of the match Schlotterbeck, and we end with Christian Romero, the World Cup winner from the squad zone sector. So let's see what we can find in the box number 2. Nothing special yet, but all the regular cards only, with some crystal parallels. We have received Performance Boost Reece James, then Performance Boost Mo Salah, another Performance Boost, and this time Milinkovic, Manager Pellegrini, the former Manchester City manager, now a Real Betis manager. Then we have got Stefan De Vrij Squad Update, Ruud van Nistelrooy, a legend as a player and now a manager of PSV. Then we have got another manager Schroeder, and another manager Edin Terzic, and we have received another Legend 100 club. We have received 3 Legend 100 clubs from this video, and 3 of them are different. This time we have Edwin van der Sar, and then we have Axel Witsel, Out of This World, Mega Value Ankle Correa from the World Cup champion Argentina and Atletico Madrid, and then we have Zaidu Squad Zone. So let's see what we can get in the box number 2. Start with an app code. We start here with Skamaka, Headline Hero, Squad Update Manuel Akanji, Headline Hero that Upamecano, Pedro Gonçalves Starburst, Milan Skriniar Starburst, Alvaro Morata Squad Update, Kenneth Taylor Starburst, Performance Boost, Jude Bellingham, a lot of reputations, Out of This World, Filip Kostic, Mega Value Kulusevski. Boy, how many Kulusevski we can get? We have got an Emerald Parallel of Jadon Sancho, and this is gonna be the deciding moment. And we have a hat-trick hero of Ben Yedder. So we received a hat-trick hero and an Emerald Parallel against 100 club legends. So definitely box number 2 is gonna win because of 2 special, little bit rare insert cards. Next pack from box number 1 starts with an app code and manager Graham Potter, then again a manager Jurgen Klopp, 2 managers from English Premier League, then Mohamed Ali Cho Awake It, Bentancur Awake It, Starburst Vinicius Jr., Shonalaglu Headline Hero, we have got Starburst Giovanni Reina, Performance Boost Marco Verratti, Out of This World Szoboszlai, Mega Value Eric Lamela, and Ismail Benacer Man of the Match Heritage card. And we have received 3 different Man of the Match Heritage cards, but we finish with the reputation of David Silva's Squad Zone. So nothing special in this pack from box number 1. Let's see what we can get in box number 2. So we got a wicket of Maxwell Cornet, a wicket of Jack Grealish, again my boy, manager Xavi Alonso of Bayer Leverkusen, a legend as a player, a wicket Jamal Musiala, performance boost Timo Werner, Carlo Ancelotti manager, a wicket Sergio Busquets, Weston McKennie's squad update, Karim Benzema out of this world. That's great. Mega value Ruben Diaz. That is also fantastic. And then we have got a Pierre-Emile Højbjerg out of this Heritage Man of the Match. And we finish with my boy, hat-trick hero Erling Haaland. He is the hat-trick hero of all hat-trick heroes. He got 6 hat-tricks already throughout different competitions in Europe in this season, and what a fantastic player he is. So definitely box number 2 is again a straight winner. So let's start with box number 1 again, and we got Manuel Akanji squad update. We got Awakit Garnacho, Pedro Goncalves Starburst, Jota Starburst, headline hero Rudiger, squad update Benacer, Ousmane Dembele, squad update Starburst, Okafor, out of this world legend David Trezeguet, and that is a great card. Mega value Zlatan Ibrahimovic, emerald parallel of Ibrahim Sangare's squad zone, and a regular squad zone of Fiaco Tomori. So it has an upper hand till now, as we haven't opened the pack from box number 2. So let's see what we can find. Oh, is it a Chromex? Yes, it is. So definitely again box number 2 is gonna win. We have got Alejandro Garnacho, a wicket, headline hero Marquinhos. We got Starburst Jota, a wicket Zaniolo. We have got another a wicket of Barisic, another a wicket of Hasko Guardiol, Starburst Paul Pogba, and we got a Robert Lewandowski. My god, this is the pull of this video till now. Robert Lewandowski Pro Elite Chromex card, and he's XS number 8. What a fantastic pull from box number 2, and definitely he is winning. Not only that, we have got out of this world's Neymar from this pack. Zlatan Ibrahimovic mega value. How many Zlatan Ibrahimovic we have received till now? And we have got a squad zone of Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. So great box, this box number 2. Let's see what we can get in box number 1 pack. We haven't received any blackage card yet. That's a shame. That's very disappointing. No blackage cards till now. Start with an app code. And let's see if we can get anything special here. Start with Marquinhos, headline hero, performance boost Reece James, a wicket Nicolo Zaniolo, performance boost Milinkovic, squad update Stefan de Vrij, Ruud van Nistelrooy manager. We have got Schroeder manager, and we received back-to-back Pro Elite Chromex card, and this time it is Federico Chiesa from pack number 1, and it is XS number 17. So here I'm keeping this 2 Pro Elite Chromex card. We can't expect more Pro Elite cards from these 2 boxes. We have got 2 Pro Elite cards already from these 2 boxes, so I'm quite happy with the Pro Elites, but not with the Black Ages. We have then got Xavi Simons out of this world, a Mega Value Brozovic, and we finish with a Squad Zone Moussa Diaby. So let's see what's there in pack number 2. It will be really difficult if we get a Black Edge here. The competition will be hard. Otherwise, a straight winner, box number 1. So start with an app code, and then we have a Starburst of Casemiro, Starburst of Fofana. We have got Manager Amorim, Performance Boost Furuhashi. We have then got Starburst Anderson, Felipe Anderson, Starburst Rafael Leao, Manager Galtia, Starburst of Pedri. Nice cards from pack number 2. Out of this world, Uribe. So really good cards, but again a straightaway winner definitely will be pack number 1. Then we have got Ousmane Dembele and a Emerald Parallel of Hat-Trick Hero. Oh, so unfortunate to have a competition with a Pro Elite Chromex. And then we finish with Steven Bergwijn Squad Zone card. So I beg your pardon. So pack number 1 again, the clear winner. And then we restart this competition. We can see an Emerald Parallel from pack number 1. We see David Moyes, Manager, Headline Hero Joao Cancelo. We have received Tapsoba Squad Update, Enzo Fernandez Squad Update, Milinkovic Savic Squad Update, Sandro Tonali Awake It, Performance Boost Ansu Fati, Squad Update Benjamin Sesko, Alfonso Davis Out of This World, Ankle Correa, Mega Value, a Steven Bergwijn Squad Zone, and we received the regular Steven Bergwijn in the last pack, and here how they look side by side. And then we got a Hat-Trick Hero of Ben Yedder. So we received 4 Hat-Trick Heroes, and we received 2 Ben Yedder. Once again, it is a repeat, so can't consider this as a very good pack, but again we received an Emerald Parallel here of Steven Bergwijn Squad Zone. So box number 2 starts with William Saliba Squad Update, Awake It Thiago Silva, Performance Boost Pellegrini, Squad Update Kubo, Marcos Llorente, Starburst, DiMarco Awake It, Manager Massimiliano Allegri, Lucas Goradoat Squad Update. We have got a Crystal Parallel of Headline Hero Shanalaglu, and this is the second Headline Hero Crystal Parallel we received. Out of This World Harry Kane, Mega Value Milinkovic Savic, and we finish with Anthony Modeste. So definitely box number 1 is again a straight winner for the Squad Zone Emerald Crystal Parallel. Restarting the competition, and we got a Squad Update Emerson Palmieri, Squad Update Ericsson, Headline Hero Nicolas Goncalves, Sampaoli Manager. We haven't received Pep Guardiola yet as a manager. Milan Skriniar Starburst, Alvaro Morata Squad Update, Kenneth Taylor we received the second Pro Elite Chromex card. Unbelievable. The pack number 1 is nailing it in the later stage. This is extraordinary. XS11, 2 Chromex Pro Elite card in 1 pack. I was so unjustified to cursing this pack, but boy oh boy, it has given me 2 Chromex Pro Elite cards, And then we have got out of this world legend Vidic, Ruben Diaz mega value, and finishes with squad zone Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. But look at this card, Joshua Kimmich, such a nice card. And today is the day we received 3 Chromex Pro Elite card, but no Black Edge cards yet. So I cannot say it is a very unlucky day. I cannot, definitely I cannot. But again, we haven't received a Black Edge card yet, so I'm little bit disappointed. Not that much till now. Squad update: Fabio Carvalho, Lucas Paqueta. We have got Richarlison, Sadio Mane, Cody Gakpo, then Henrik squad update, Wrench, Rafael Guerrero away kit. We have got a crystal parallel of Milinkovic-Savic performance boost out of this world, Marco Reus, mega value of Hardy and Jadon Sancho squad zone. So definitely again box number 1 is the clear winner. Okay, let's see. Restarting the competition again. Black Edge, please God, give me some Black Edge cards. We start with a performance boost: Martin Odegaard, Wesley Fofana. Squad update, it is a performance boost, so it should be here. And then we got Mediterranean away kit, squad update: Mendes, away kit Barisic, away kit Guardiola. They come in tandem. Performance boost: Jude Bellingham, Starburst of Paul Pogba, and a crystal parallel of Milik performance boost. Out of this world, Axel Witsel, Ousmane Dembele mega value, and we received Sangare squad zone. Let's see box number 2. Give me a Black Edge. Come on. I don't think so. We start with Reece James performance boost, Mo Salah performance boost, then Milinkovic performance boost, Manuel Pellegrini manager, headline hero Rudiger, Benacer squad update, Mukiele squad update, then Giovanni Lo Celso squad update, a Starburst crystal parallel of Felipe Anderson. Then we have got out of this world Kaká, out of this world legend Kaká. Then we had got Brozovic, and then Sangare, the same squad zone. So definitely box number 2 is the winner for this pack due to out of this world legend Kaká. Restarting the competition, we start with performance boost Salah, away kit Maxwell Cornet, manager Pellegrini, manager Xavi Alonso, performance boost David Warner, manager Carlo Ancelotti, manager Terzic, away kit Basquets, and we have got a squad update of Leandro Paredes, the World Cup winner, in crystal parallel format. Out of this world, Charles De Ketelaere for the first time in this video, mega value Nicolas Schule again for the first time, and we received Zaidu squad zone from box number 1. Let's see in the box number 2. A very small number of cards left in both the boxes, and we start with Maxwell Cornet away kit, then Jack Grealish again, the red and black away kit of Manchester City, Xavi Alonso, Jamal Musiala away kit, squad update Stefan De Vrij, manager Van Nistelrooy, no Pep Guardiola yet, squad update Ousmane Dembele, Starburst. Okay, for this black out of this world is really a teaser for the Black Edge, but it is a bit shiny. Then Bruno Fernandes, out of this world. Oh, again I called him Bruno Fernandes. What happened with me? This is Bernardo Silva. Then Nicolas Sule, back to back. Then we have got Modric, man of the match heritage card, and Rafa Silva, squad zone from box number 2. So again, box number 1. Starts with Awake-It, Jack Grealish, Starburst Casemiro, Awake-It Musiala, Manager Amorim, Starburst Felipe Anderson, Starburst Rafael Leao, and then we have got Squad Update Weston McKennie, Manager Galtier, Out of This World Virgil van Dijk, Mega Value Anthony Rudiger, Man of the Match Heritage Olus Kunde, and a hat-trick hero again of Erling Haaland. Never mind getting him twice, but not more than that. Start with, okay, for the first time we have received Kevin De Bruyne performance boost, headline hero Mo Salah, headline hero David Neres, performance boost Nabil Fekir, performance boost Courtois, performance boost Tavernier again, Starburst Kylian Mbappe, headline hero Robert Lewandowski, Out of This World Paul Gascoigne once again, legend card, Mega Value Sergio Ramos, nice cards in this pack really, and Lamar heritage card, and we finish with David Silva. So again, box number 2 is a clear winner for this competition. Next up, we start with an app code. Starburst Fofana, William Saliba, squad update, performance boost Furuhashi, performance boost Pellegrini, headline hero Cody Gakpo, Benjamin Henriks, squad update, manager Massimiliano Allegri, then Lucas Gorna Daut, squad update, Out of This World Kostic, Mega Value Zlatan Ibrahimovic, and squad zone Jadon Sancho, Emerald Parallel, we received him, so it's a shame, and Dodo squad zone from pack number 1, and then we go with pack number 2. We got Eric Ten Hag, manager, squad update Aaron Ramsdale, Awake-It McGregor, Jose Mourinho for the first time, manager, squad update Xavi Simons, manager Maurizio Sarri, Frankie de Jong squad update, and our first black edge card from box number 2. It is Heung-min Son, the first black edge after so many rips. Look at him closely. Nice attributes. God, we received our first black edge card after so many rips. Then Milan Skriniar, Starburst Crystal Parallel, Bernardo Silva, Out of This World Mega Value Nicolas Sule, and then Rafa Silva. Okay, next pack. Start with Jack Grealish, Awake-It, Starburst Casemiro, Awake-It Jamal Musiala, Amorim manager Marcus Llorente, Starburst, Awake-It DiMarco, manager Galtier, Starburst of Pedri, Out of This World legend Gascoigne so many times, Kulusevski Mega Value, Diet Upamecano, it's a reputation of Man of the Match heritage, and we got a hat-trick hero of Ciro Immobile. So next pack, from box number 1. Starts with Alexander Zinchenko Starburst, Jorginho squad update. Now he is an Arsenal player. Evanilson Starburst, Antonio Conte manager, Stefano Pioli manager, performance boost Barella, performance boost Timber, headline hero Jude Bellingham, again out of this world legend Nemanja Vidic, Angel Correa mega value, and we have got Molina, the World Cup winner Molina, Emerald Crystal Parallel, and another Ben Yedder hat-trick hero. So have we received 5 hat-trick heroes? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we have received 4, and we have received a lot of Ben Yedder. So again, it's a disappointment. Okay, box number 2. At least we should have received 3 black edge cards, but till now we have got just 1. We start with Starburst Mason Mount, headline hero Trent Alexander-Arnold, Italiano manager Junami squad update, performance boost Koke, squad update Dumfries. Then we have got performance boost Luka Susic, Dali Blind Awake It, out of this world Gavi, so Gavi and Pedri both in the out of this world part, Anthony Rudiger. Then we have got Christian Romero, Emerald Parallel, and this is Squad Zone Molina again in the regular format. Okay, box number 1. We are having very less number of packs to open now. We start with Mo Salah performance boost, Maxwell Cornet Awake It, Pellegrini manager, Xavi Alonso manager, Starburst, Felipe Anderson Starburst, Rafael Leao Awake It, Sergio Busquets, Weston McKennie squad update. Then we have got a Sapphire Crystal Parallel of Carlos Soler, and out of this world Marco Reus again, mega value Thomas Muller, nothing special, and squad zone David Raum. Box number 2. And we start with a squad update of Malasia, Starburst Alexander Zinchenko, performance boost Isco, such a promising player and then got lost, and then Evanilson Starburst, Henrik's squad update, performance boost Courtois, squad update Wrench Awake It Guerrero, out of this world Shanaloglu, mega value Eric Lamela, and another Ben Yedder, but thank God it is a Emerald Crystal Parallel, and we end with a Dodo squad zone from pack number 2. Okay, then box number 1. We start with headline hero Mo Salah, squad update Malasia, performance boost Nabil Fekir and Isco Ventavenier, 3 performance boosts together, headline hero Robert Lewandowski and Vecino, manager Jassel, out of this world Szoboszlai, mega value Eric Lamela, and Angel Di Maria, man of the match. So pack number 1 is leading now with David Silva in the end. Pack number 2. So we start with a performance boost KDB, headline hero Mo Salah and David Neres, Then performance boost, Nabil Fekir again, away kit DeMarco, headline hero Cody Gakpo, manager Massimiliano Allegri, Lucas Gonadot squad update, Lucas Paqueta out of this world, mega value of Koulibaly, man of the match Alessandro Bastoni, and again a hat-trick hero of Ciro Immobile. Who is the fifth one? I can't remember. So we are coming up with the sixth last packet of box number 1, and we start with Marquinhos, headline hero, performance boost David Reece James, then Nicolo Zaniolo, Milinkovic, Timo Werner, Carlo Ancelotti, Schroeder, Terzic manager, and we have got our, I think, second 100 club, Kevin De Bruyne. Look at this card, he's my boy. And then out of this world, Harry Kane, mega value Sergio Ramos, and squad zone Lautaro Martinez, the World Cup champion. Box number 2. We start with Scamacca and Pep Guardiola finally. Then Leon Goretzka performance boost, headline hero Marcus Edwards, and then Diego Simeone manager, Starburst Kolak, squad update Sola, headline hero Jose Luis Morales, out of this world legend Kaká, and we have got Brozovic mega value, and we have got Rodrigo De Paul, again the World Cup winner, the champion and Atletico de Madrid player, and then we have got Ibrahim Sangare. So 5 more packs remaining in this video from each boxes, and we have received just 1 black edge card. So we have opened or ripped 38 packs and received 1 black edge card. So the black edge cards are I think it is out of 16 packs, but as we can see, we should have received at least 2 black edge cards till now, but we have got only 1. So let's see. I'm hopeful to receive at least 1 more black edge card from any of these boxes. So box number 1. We start with a squad update of Paqueta, performance boost KDB, Starburst Sadio Mane, then David Neres, Henrik squad update, Courtois, Rafael Guerrero, Mbappe. Oh, back to back Mbappe. And we have received Kylian Mbappe Black Edge Edition card. What a great card. And that is from pack number 1. So let's put it here. We have got then out of this world Lucas Ocampos, then Kalidou Koulibaly mega value, and squad zone Jadon Sancho. So I really can't complain. We have received 2 black edge cards, and these 2 are very special wingers or forward players, especially Kylian Mbappe. He is running the show currently in the world, one of the most famous and most fans favorite player after Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. So really happy to get him in the black edge format. So I really can't complain. We have received 2 black edges and 3 Pro Elite Chromex cards. Plus, I think we have almost completed our collection. Just a few, I think the 100 clubs, and we haven't received some limited editions yet from these packs. So No idea whether we can get anything from these packs or not. Then we start with Jorginho squad update, Roberto Firmino awake it. We've got manager Antonio Conte. We have got Pedro Hincapié awake it. We then got manager Pioli, Barella, Bellingham, Milik, and we have got, oh, it's a reputation, we have got 100 club Frank Lampard legend, but it is a repeat. We have received 4 different 100 clubs. We already received Frank Lampard earlier from a flow pack. Then we have got Neymar, out of this world, mega value, Zlatan Ibrahimovic, so much common, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang squad zone. So let's restart the competition from box number 1. We start with Manuel Akanji, then Garnacho, then Pedro Goncalves, Jota, then De Vrij, Van Nistelrooy manager, Ousmane Dembele, Okafor, out of this world, Uribe, mega value, Hateki, and then Emerald, Crystal Parallel, Anthony Modeste, and then we finally end with Molina squad zone. So box number 2, let's see if we can get any surprises from these packs, these last remaining packs. We got Fabio Carvalho, Paqueta, Richarlison, Sadio Mane, Rafael Leao, Llorente. We got Gaultier manager, and then again another Starburst, and oh, we have received our 3rd Black Edge edition, and that is Christopher Nkunku. Wow, 3 of the best center forwards or the forward players we have received currently in this pack as Black Edge editions. Then we got Andrea Bellotti, mega value of Federico Chiesa, sorry, and then we got a squad zone of David Raum. But we have received 3 Black Edges and 3 Pro Elite Chromex cards from each of these packs. Alright, so we have now 6 packs remaining, and thank you once again for staying tuned for so long with me, and it's really paid off. All these wait really paid off. 3 Black Edges and 3 Pro Elite Chromex, I can't complain. Awake it, Thiago Silva, Fabio Carvalho, then we got Kubo, Richarlison, DiMarco, Cody Gakpo, and then we got Lucas Gona, Wrench, a Crystal Parallel, Sapphire Crystal Parallel, Ashraf Hakimi awake it, out of this world Acuna, Federico Chiesa again, and Anthony Modeste as squad zone. Then we have box number 2. Then we have already pulled a lot of very rare cards, but we need some 100 clubs and if possible some limited editions. Squad update, then awake it, performance boost, squad update, manager, then Starburst, awake it, and squad update, and a Starburst Sapphire Crystal Parallel of Rafael Leao, out of this world, David Neres, mega value, Voland, and Lautaro Martinez. Okay, so 2 more packs remaining from each boxes. Let's start with box number 1, the penultimate pack of box number 1. Let's see what surprise lies there. We start with a Starburst, then headline hero, Starburst, headline hero, Another headline here of Rudiger, squad update cards. Then another squad update, Karim Benzema out of this world, mega value Milinkovic Savic, and Alexander Arnold man of the match. I think we already have received Alexander Arnold man of the match card. I think so. No, we haven't received. Okay, and we end with Rafa Silva. So the penultimate pack of box number 2. So we got squad update, Starburst, performance boost, another Starburst, headline hero, manager, Heisel, and then performance boost, Sapphire Crystal Parallel of Sandro Tonali. I think we have already received this. Let's find out later. Out of this world, Kostic, mega value Thomas Muller, then Tchouaméni, Emerald Crystal Parallel Squad Zone, and again got another Ben Yedder hat-trick hero. So we finish with 2 more packs from box number 1 and box number 2. So the final pack of box number 1, let's see what we can get inside, whether it is a lucky one or just a regular one. We start with Starburst Fofana, squad update Saliba, performance boost Furuhashi, Pellegrini performance boost, Starburst Llorente, Starburst Pedri, manager Maximiliano Allegri, and we received it 100 club Kevin De Bruyne. We should have got another one, and then we have got out of this world Kai Havertz, Volant mega value, Emerald Parallel Rafa Silva, and we finish with Bergwijn squad update. So the final pack from box number 2 and this entire video, let's see what we can get. We start with a Starburst Casemiro, then Fofana, manager Amorim, performance boost Furuhashi and David Warner, and then we got Schroeder manager, Terzic manager, and oh my god, we have got an unbeatable 101 Erling Haaland from pack number 2. Look at that, he is my boy. And we then got Gavi, out of this world mega value, Anthony Rudiger, Emerald, Crystal Parallel Squad Zone of David Silva, and we finish with Molina. So the last pack has given us a great surprise of Erling Haaland. So if I talk about the entire pack opening, these are the highlights. 3 different rare cards like Kylian Mbappe Black Edge, and 2 different Pro Elite Chromex of Federico Chiesa and Joshua Kimmich from pack number 1, and 1 Pro Elite Chrome X of Robert Lewandowski from pack number 2, and 2 Black Edge editions, Christopher Nkunku and Heung-min Son from pack number 2. Plus we finally we had a tie with 3 versus 3, and then we finally got a tiebreaker in the end at the last pack of box number 2, and we got 101 Erling Haaland. So definitely is the cherry on the top, and box number 2 is the winner. So this is it. Hope you guys have enjoyed a very long 48 packs opening of Topps Match Attax Extra Season 2022-23. Hope you have enjoyed all the cards and the entire video. If you really like the video, please hit a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also share the channel link and the videos with your friends and family. With this, I'm ending this video with a promise of coming back with a very brand new video. Till then, have a great day, great weekend. See you soon. Bye bye.